Hey everyone, I'm Zayd Archer and welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking for ways to scale your online income, today's video is for you. I'm going to break down 7 proven ways to make $10,000 a month online. Yes, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover different business models, side hustles, and strategies that you can start today. I'll show you exactly what it takes to reach that $10,000 mark and how to build a long-term sustainable income stream online. So make sure to watch until the end, because I've got some golden tips you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with freelancing, one of the easiest and most accessible ways to start making money online. Freelancing allows you to sell your skills to clients all over the world, and you can start immediately without needing any upfront investment. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media expert, there's a huge demand for freelance services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Now, the key to succeeding in freelancing isn't just offering your services. It's about positioning yourself as an expert in a specific niche. This is where many beginners go wrong. They try to be a jack of all trades, offering everything from logo design to social media management. But the real money comes from specializing. For example, if you're a graphic designer, focus on creating infographics for tech companies or social media graphics for fitness influencers. The more specific you are, the more valuable your services become. And here's a pro tip. Always over-deliver. When you're just starting out, it's important to build a portfolio and a reputation for going above and beyond. Offer a little extra, whether it's faster delivery, a bonus service, or better communication. Over time, this will allow you to raise your rates and attract higher paying clients. Some freelancers are making well over $10,000 a month just by focusing on a niche and delivering high quality work consistently. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to make money online. And it's a business model that can lead to passive income over time. Here's how it works. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This business model is perfect for beginners because you don't need to create a product or service yourself. Instead, you leverage existing products and focus on marketing them effectively. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. These platforms allow you to find products in virtually any niche, from tech gadgets to fitness equipment to online courses. But here's where it gets interesting. The most successful affiliate marketers don't just spam their links all over social media. They create valuable content that genuinely helps their audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, or even social media tutorials. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might create a YouTube video reviewing the top 5 home workout equipment for beginners. In the description, you include affiliate links to each product. Every time someone watches your video and buys through your link, you earn a commission. Now, imagine scaling that by creating dozens of videos, blog posts, or social media content focused on various products within your niche. That's where the magic happens. And with consistency, it's possible to make $10,000 a month or more. Next up is print on demand, another low investment business model that's perfect for beginners. With print on demand, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply create designs that are printed on products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and the printing company handles the rest. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring make it easy to get started. All you need to do is come up with creative, niche-specific designs. The key to success in print on demand is finding a niche market that's passionate about something specific. For example, let's say you're into gaming. You could create t-shirt designs that appeal to the gaming community. Funny quotes, memes, or even designs inspired by popular video games. Once you've created your designs, the next step is marketing. You can promote your designs on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest. You don't need a huge budget to get started, just some creative marketing strategies. For example, you could reach out to micro-influencers in your niche and offer them free products in exchange for promoting your designs. As your brand grows, so will your sales. And with the right marketing strategy, it's entirely possible to scale a print-on-demand business to $10,000 a month. One of the most scalable online business models is selling digital products. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be sold an infinite number of times with virtually no additional cost. Popular digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, software, and even digital art. Let's take online courses as an example. If you have expertise in a particular field, whether that's photography, personal finance, or fitness, you can package your knowledge into a course and sell it through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Online courses are incredibly popular right now, and people are willing to pay a premium for high-quality, well-organized courses. Here's a breakdown. Let's say you create a photography course and sell it for $200. To reach $10,000 a month, you only need to sell 50 courses. The best part? Once the course is created, the work is mostly done. You can focus on marketing and scaling, allowing you to earn passive income month after month. In addition to online courses, digital products like templates, ebooks, and even digital planners are great options. The key is finding a niche that needs a specific solution and offering that solution in the form of a digital product. Dropshipping is another popular way to make money online, especially for beginners who don't have the capital to invest in inventory. With dropshipping, you create an online store, but instead of stocking products, you partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping. When a customer buys a product from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer, and you keep the profit margin. The great thing about dropshipping is that it allows you to focus entirely on marketing and scaling your business. You don't need to worry about warehousing or logistics. However, success in dropshipping depends on choosing the right products. You'll want to find products that are trending or have consistent demand but aren't oversaturated. Platforms like Oberlo and AliExpress make it easy to find suppliers for a wide range of products, from fashion to electronics. Marketing is crucial for a dropshipping business. You'll need to run effective ads, especially on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, to drive traffic to your store. It's also important to optimize your store for conversions by offering competitive pricing, fast shipping options, and excellent customer service. With the right strategy, dropshipping can be scaled to $10,000 a month and beyond. Let's talk about YouTube. If you enjoy creating content, YouTube can be a highly profitable way to make money online. Not only can you earn through ad revenue once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, but there are also additional monetization strategies like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Here's the thing. Success on YouTube requires consistency and quality. The first step is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's gaming, personal finance, beauty, or travel, your channel should focus on providing value to your audience. The more niche focused you are, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated following. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's monetization program. Beyond ad revenue, there are plenty of ways to earn more through your channel. For example, if you're in the personal finance niche, you could promote affiliate products like investment apps or online courses. You can also partner with brands for sponsored content or sell your own digital products like ebooks or courses. With time and dedication, growing your YouTube channel to $10,000 a month is entirely possible. finally, online coaching or consulting is a fantastic way to make money online, especially if you have specialized knowledge in a particular field. Whether it's business, fitness, life coaching, or marketing, people are willing to pay a premium for personalized guidance and expertise. Many online coaches charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per client, making it a highly lucrative business model. The great thing about coaching is that you don't need a huge following to get started. You can start by offering one-on-one coaching sessions or group coaching programs. As you build a reputation, you can scale by offering more services, creating digital courses, or even launching a membership program. Platforms like Zoom, Clarity.fm, and Coach Accountable make it easy to manage your coaching business. To succeed in coaching, focus on delivering real value to your clients. The more results you help them achieve, the more referrals and repeat clients you'll attract. With consistent marketing and a proven track record, it's entirely possible to scale an online coaching business to $10,000 a month or more. So there you have it, 7 proven ways to make $10,000 a month online. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, print on demand, or any of the other methods, remember that success takes time, effort, and consistency. Pick one method that resonates with you, dive deep, and stay committed. Let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship, money making, and personal development. I'm Zayd Archer, and I'll see you in the next video.